Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. I have a wooden dowel set. It's a 100-piece set, and we do a lot of crafting and stuff in the house. So I thought this would be a perfect set to get. And I'm always looking for like my different woodworking projects. I need like different wooden sized dowels for pegs for stuff, or just like little accents on different like figurines or ornaments. But so these are your thicker set of wooden dowels. And I decided to make a video because like you can kind of see it, but you definitely need like more of a visual, especially when it comes to sets like this. So that is your smaller set of dowels. I mean, these are, you can see how skinny they are. And again, great for crafting to keep around. And I never realized how often I use these until I actually bought like the 100 pack, and then this is like our second pack, and I use them for like everything in between. So, but that's your other size. Let me give you an idea if I can get it back in the pack. So they are, the whole set is basically, they're 6 inches long, and they're like a variety of different lengths. So this one, that's like about 1/8 thickness. These smaller ones, they are going to be probably less, probably around a 1/16, slightly larger than a 1/16. These are 3/8 for the larger ones. And then again, you have this pack. So again, this is just about 1, 2, 3. That's about another 2/8. And then this one's probably just about a 1/4 and 1/8. Can't do the math in my head, but it's good to see that you have a variety of different sizes. And like I said, you'd be amazed at like you get some wood glue around, you got some projects going on. These are definitely what you want to have on hand. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.